Well, folks, it's finally happened. Bitcoin ETF has finally been approved by Blackrock. You hear it here first, everybody. Well, you've probably already seen it everywhere else. I don't know. I was a little late to the party. I got a notification Bitcoin hit 32K. But apparently, it's gone all the way up to $34,000, and it's gone back down. This is absolutely insanity right now. This is a 12-minute chart, and just in 12 minutes, this thing has risen over 7%, a $2,500 move in 12 minutes, man. I'm telling you, this is insane. We're probably going to see Bitcoin hit $40,000 before the end of October, if not $44,000, okay? This is dead ass serious. This is a huge alert. Like I was mentioning earlier in my live stream, if Bitcoin does break above the old high, which we did have holding up around here at this level, we could see it come back down. We need to see a retest of now this massive support resistance flip. Okay, so we're probably going to flush out a shit ton of longs who just opened up, because I'm sure the open interest just went crazy here. Let's just see. Crap balls. You didn't see that. It doesn't matter. I was just looking up some stuff on myself. Okay, where's this at? Come on, man. Come on. Just Bitcoin, all exchanges, perpetual. All right, so let's just take a look, okay? Absolutely insanity. The long is short. Longs are coming up here. We are up to almost $1.9 billion in longs. Yeah, this is absolutely insane. So we're reaching just billions of dollars in longs that are opening right now. Absolutely freaking insanity is happening in the crypto markets. Ethereum is also just pumping to the freaking moon. Like, this is crazy stuff. I mean, I said in my Discord target earlier at 1670 that the target price would be 1829. We damn near almost hit that. We got all the way up to 1804. Okay, so we almost got up to the golden pocket 6 Juanita area. You know what I'm saying? We had a multiple Sam Bankman-Fried bullish Mambu patterns here on the market cipher B. And yeah, this is just crazy stuff, guys. Like, my mind is blown. It's happening. Bitcoin is here. It's on, baby. It's on. The bull market might be coming back, like right now, like as we speak, this very moment. We're catching this live. I am so freaking upset that I fucking closed my long out way earlier, but you know what? It's all good. We're probably going to see a massive flush eventually here, because this is just huge news, and obviously we're going to get a ton of FOMO pushing into the market here, so we need to be careful how we approach this. We just hit $33,000 in a Bitcoin. Holy crap. This is insane. This is insane. Wow. This is crazy, bro. All right, but I mean, yeah, so the high was $34,700. So the Blackrock ETF has been approved. This is monumental, man. Like, this moment is crazy. So if we take a look at the weekly chart here, now we need to go all the way back to the old. So this is the target, $35,000. Okay, so we want to see it retest back down here at 31,000. We want to see it start consolidating this area, and once we do, we can take this line here and we can break it out, and this is our target. Close to $50,000 by the end of the year. All right, I'm talking Monday, December 8th. This could literally $50,000 of Bitcoin before the end of 2023. Like, this is huge. This is fucking huge. This is the biggest moment in all of crypto history right here, man. I'm telling you, this is going to send Bitcoin to $250,000 in 2024, 2025. We might see a $300,000 Bitcoin. We could see $500,000. Like, the most bullish case is $600,000. We're definitely going to hit $1 million. If you want to watch my video on my YouTube channel, Artificial Intelligence says Bitcoin's going to $1 million by 2030. I highly suggest you check that out. I'll link that in the description below. I'm going to apologize in advance. I did make that with an AI generated voice of myself, just because I just was testing some stuff out, having some fun. but it was all scripted with ChatGPT and just other articles and all the internet's information and all the sources from analysts, from financial market analysts, from Wall Street, all these kinds of crypto analysts, everything in between, okay? So it was pretty damn accurate stuff. So I highly suggest you watch that video. Excuse the weird-ass AI voice instead of mine, you feel me? But right now, we want to see Bitcoin retest $31,000 and consolidate. Once we see that happen, if we can hold at the floor now, we recreated the ceiling. So here, let's just hide some of our stuff here real quick, because this is a mess. This is a mess. So we have broken out of the head and shoulders pattern that we had recently created, all right? So now we're just going to use some old fib levels, all right? So we take this here, we're going to go to the very top of the peak of the market, right? So this is the area. $28,000 was our main area of support and resistance. We had consolidated here for weeks and weeks and weeks. And the next level up here is $36,000. That's probably where we're going to hit and probably get a rejection, because that used to be the old resistance right here. So this box, this zone, is what we want to be paying attention to, this $36,000 area to the $31,000 area. Now, I would not be looking to take a short here. I'm just not comfortable doing that with this breaking news coming out here. It is absolutely just insanity is what's happening right now, okay? It's crazy stuff. Wow, dude, this thing's pumping, man. It's pumping like crazy, bro. It's insane. So let's just take a look at the news real quick. So Blackrock, highly anticipated spot Bitcoin ETF, the iShares Bitcoin Trust, has made an appearance on a list maintained by the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, which Nasdaq says provides post-trade clearance, settlement, custody, and information services. While still awaiting approval from the Securities and Exchange Commission, along with other proposed spot Bitcoin funds, the DTCC lists the Blackrock funds ticker as IBTC. It's an official ETF for spot Bitcoin. Okay, we already have futures Bitcoins, but this is a spot Bitcoin ETF, and it's been approved. It is listed now on the Nasdaq, and it is underneath the Securities Exchange Commission. All right, this is the first spot ETF listed on the DTCC. None of the others are there yet. So we still need Grayscale's ETF to be approved, Fidelity, and Coinbase. So imagine, we just saw Bitcoin go from 26K to 34K within a week, just from BlackRock's ETF. All right, now we're going to get Fidelity, we're going to get Coinbase, we're going to get Grayscale, and then all the other big major players like Goldman Sachs, I'm sure, like just other huge financial market makers are going to be making their ETF appearances throughout the rest of the year. We could easily see Bitcoin break its all-time high before April next year, even before the halving. And then when the halving starts, I'm sure we're going to see it jump above $100,000, man. This is fucking crazy, man. This is insane, man. Arguably be better than something like HODL if the goal is to make it into the client's accounts of rich boomers who use wealth managers. So a lot of older people who have like 401ks and stuff, now they can roll over their retirement funds into Bitcoin, which is like the biggest reason why we wanted to get this ETF approved. And Bitcoin price surges to the highest level in more than 1 year. This is the all-time high now of 2023. And also 2022. So Bitcoin price surges, blah blah blah. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust is one of around 12 spot Bitcoin ETFs to be approved. So we have 11 more to be approved, guys. We got a $10,000 jump just from one. Okay. Now I'm not saying it's going to jump $10,000 for every single one of them, but I'm saying this is just absolutely crazy, and you're going to get the FOMO from all the retail traders. All the freaking market makers are going to be jumping in on this. This is just absolutely insanity. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap has surged amid excitement and approval getting closer, rising 10% over the past 24 hours. It's crazy. 25% over the past month. Bitcoin's price briefly touched 34,332 on Monday, the highest level in more than 1 year, according to CoinGecko. Alrighty, boys and girls, that is it. We are doing it. We are here. All right, well, it looks like we're going to get some rejection here. So, like I said, we want to see it consolidate here. We want to see something kind of like this. All right, we want to come back down. We want to just like consolidate, and then boom, we want to break out. All right, and then come back down, retest, and then boom. All right, we could easily see 40,000. I mean, I drew this out on the weekly, so this is probably not how it's going to play out. It's probably going to be a lot sooner. We're probably going to see it more like this, like right around here, right around Christmas time. So yeah, just insane. Absolutely just freaking crazy. So let's take this down to here to the low. So yeah, $48,000 is going to be the 618 Fibonacci level that we're going to be looking for now that we have massively flipped the old support resistance flip has now happened. We've finally broken through it. The next level to be watching for is going to be that 48,000 level. This is going to be the next key level of support and resistance that will have to be flipped before we get to the all-time high. But this is just crazy stuff, man. It's wonderful to see. You love to see it. We're having all kinds of cryptos just going absolutely ape shit right now. This is Solana's at $32. Like, wow, dude. This is something, man. This is something. Let me tell you. Wow. I'm gonna get rid of all of these. Dude, why are you editing them? I'm trying to just delete the damn thing. This is insane, dude. Like, this is beautiful. This is exactly what we wanted to see happen, guys. Like, it is gonna be interesting next while, and we could see in the next bull market too a surge in prop firms also using cryptocurrency now because of the spot ETF. So we could also see that could be a huge factor in the next bull market, kind of like how NFTs and the meme coins and trying to think what else, the metaverse or whatever, the gaming crypto metaverse, all that shit. That could be the next big thing for this next market. It's prop firms, people getting funded to trade cryptocurrency, just bringing more liquidity to the market overall, providing other traders with more liquidity, with leverage, massively boosting the prices alongside with retirement accounts being rolled over into Bitcoin. First, they start with 1% of their portfolio, then 2%, then 6%, then 10%, then 20%. You could be looking at some funds, hedge funds are looking at 80% of their money going into Bitcoin, especially with the amount of inflation that is going on in our country right now in the United States. Dollar is just devaluing. The dollar has now confirmed a downtrend on the weekly or the daily time frame. We also have a bearish divergence here too, and we're also getting a red arrow from my indicator algorithm indicating our next levels. We could be coming back down to around this area right here. We got the point of control is $101. If this goes down while Bitcoin continues to rise, $40,000 Bitcoin, I'm telling you, by the end of November for sure. But yeah, anyway, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, just like this video right here. I'm going to get this one uploaded real quick. There's not going to be any editing or anything like that. I just want to get this out there right away. So yeah, anyway, subscribe, like the video, drop your comments, your thoughts. Let me know what's going on. Link in the description below. Join the Patreon, join the trading community. I called this trade out earlier for a lot of people, especially the Ethereum trade. Called it out around here at like right at this level right here, and I called the take profit target at 1800 to 1829, and look at that, it came right up to there, man. So yeah, join the Discord, buy my indicator if you want to trade as well. This thing is very powerful. Watch my live streams. I'm making plenty of money right now over at Trade trading just the Nasdaq futures. So get signed up, get the indicator for lifetime access. You can get access to the source code so you can edit it yourself and change it, and just get access to the community itself full of other traders and who also have similar goals. Anyway, guys, this is Camry Trades. See you later.